Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwablooms. In this video, we are looking at Class 6 Maths Techno Exponents and Powers Aim 1. So let's begin. So this chapter is very basic introduction of the algebra for you. So you have entered 6th standard and algebra is very basic topic here. So in this chapter, that is Aim 1, we will just look at the basics. Mostly we are going to see the theory points in this aim. So first, according to Aryabhatta, algebra is generalized as arithmetic or symbolic arithmetic. So in algebra, we are going to use the letters from various alphabet of languages, of different languages like English, Greek. So Greek letters are like alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and so on. Here one more. So English alphabet like X, Y, Z, A, B in this way. And Greek, as I have written, all this alpha, beta, gamma, delta, this is also delta. So on basis of observations, we obtain general results, and these results are called as formula. Okay. Next, now we use letters or alphabet to represent the unknown numbers in the formula. So that unknown numbers are called as literal numbers or literals simply. Now we will see the use of letters for numbers. So what happens is the use of letters for numbers, what it does, it enables us to generalize. So you get a generalized formula, right? It will generalize the repeated numerical statements. Okay. Now we will take an example here. Now see, I can write 1 as 2 into 1 minus 1, 3 as 2 into 2 minus 1, 5 as 2 into 3 minus 1. See, observe one thing. I am writing odd numbers here. These are odd numbers. Right. So, what is the general form for odd numbers? 2 into n minus 1. That is here 1, 2, 3. This is only changing. Remaining it's all same. The 2 is same. Minus 1 is also same. This is what is getting changed. So, instead of something just generalized, we are generalizing the repeated ones. So with n I have written here. Okay. So if you have to generalize it as a formula, how we will write here 2, this one minus 1. So this is changing, right? Whatever is changing, instead of that you should put an alphabet. That's it. So the general form for an odd number is given as 2n minus 1, where n belongs to natural numbers. So I hope you all know what are natural numbers, the numbers which should start from 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity. Now what are all the basic operators which we are going to use in this chapters are same: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the basic operators which we are going to use in this chapter. Next. Now we'll see what are variables and constants. See, a symbol which can take various numerical values, that is called as a variable or literal. Okay. Now we have seen like we can take a English alphabet or Greek alphabet, whatever it is. So here we are taking English as an example: X, Y, Z, A, B, and so on. There can be many things. Next, now the symbol which is having a fixed value, that is called as a constant. That means its value can't be changed. Now we take an example of 11y. Here 11 is constant, y is variable. Okay. That means 11 is fixed number, you can't change it. Whereas y, it can be anything. Y can be 2, 3, 4, whatever value it can be. We don't know. Now for example, I'm considering b is a constant. So here in bx now, b will be fixed value, that is it is a constant, whereas x will be variable. Okay, x will be variable. So with this we come to the end of this concept. Now we will see the challengers. Now challengers, there is only one section that we says represent the following statements in symbolic form. The sum of p and q, that is nothing but sum of p and q is p plus q, that's it. This is how we represent it. Next is the subtraction of 2x from 3. Remember, whenever you see subtraction, be very careful with the word from. They are telling subtraction of 2x from 3. That means from 3, 2x is being deducted. So remember, I'll tell a shortcut for this. Whatever comes after from, that you should write first, that is 3, and put minus and 2x. Whatever is before from, then that should be next. Okay. What you'll think is subtraction of 2x minus 2x from 3. 2x minus 3 you will write it, but this is wrong. Okay. Don't be in a hurry. This one you have to remember, okay? Very important. Whatever comes after from, that you should write it first. Then what is before, you should write it. Okay? I hope you understood. Then the product of 9 and x is 9 into x, or you can write it as 9x. Next question, fourth one. 6 more than x. That is simply, you can understand very clearly, 6 plus x or x plus 6. So I am writing it as x plus 6. Now in case if it was 6 less than x, then how you will write it? Will you write it as x minus 6 or 6 minus x? The answer will be x minus 6, because 6 is less than x. Whatever comes after less than, that you should write. Whatever comes more than, first you should write that. That's why here I wrote x plus 6. Okay. This will be correct. This will be wrong. Here it should be x less than 6. Then this is right. Okay. I hope it is clear. Be very careful in this. Minute small mistakes. So here whatever comes more than, after whatever it is coming, first you should write that. That is x. Then after that, previously what is there, that one you should add or subtract. Whatever is given in the question. Now a divided by 6, that is simply a by 6. Very clear, right? A divided by is there, just put by, that's it. 40 divided by a, just put by. So it is going to be 40 by a. Next. Here seventh one, look at it very carefully. We will do it, we will split the question and we will do it in this way. First 5 times x is nothing but 5 into x is 5x. And 3 times y is nothing but 3 into y, 3y. Add 2 means plus, that's it, simply. I hope it is clear, okay? So what is it? 5x plus 3y is the answer. Next, 3 increased by x, that is nothing but, first you should write 3 increased by plus x. Here again be careful. If it is, next question only, 5 decreased by p, it is going to be, guess it, whether it is 5 minus p or p minus 5. So the correct answer is 5 minus p, not p minus 5. I'll tell you why. See, in less than, what is here, first we will write that. Let us see the difference. Now, if the question was 5 less than p, so what we would do, first we are going to take whatever is written after less than, that is p, minus that first one, 5, p minus 5, right? So whenever it is like a decreased by, here 5 decreased by p, 5 is reduced by p, here it is given. So first you are supposed to take 5 here. That means I am writing 5 first. Then decreased by is nothing but, just put the minus symbol here. Then p. 5 is decreased by p here. 5 less than p is nothing but p is reduced by 5 here, okay? That is a difference. So I hope you understood the difference between these two. So whenever you are having less than, what you are supposed to do, whatever is given after less than, first you should write that here. Then put minus, and then whatever is given first, that you should write. But whenever you are using decreased by, whenever you have seen decreased by, you should go in this order only. 5 minus p, that's it. Very simple, okay? But here p minus 5 in this order. Clear? I'll summarize everything here once again. 5 decreased by p. In this order you go, just put minus instead of this. For 5 less than p, in this order you have to come, just p minus 5. That's it. Okay. So I hope you understood the difference between less than and decreased by. Okay. Next question is also based on that less than only. We'll see that. 4 less than half of x. So first what you should do, whatever is there after less than, that you should solve first. That is the trick I have told you. Half of x, that is half of x. 1 by 2 into x. That is simply, you can write it as x by 2. 4 less than this. That is nothing but minus 4. I told you, right? Whatever is given here, that should be written first. So with this, we come to the end of challengers as well. Now we will see classroom packages. Now packages, first we will see the Perl package. So here, first question is, the algebra is generalized arithmetic or symbolic arithmetic according to mathematician whom? Option B, Aryabhatta. So according to Aryabhatta, algebra is generalized arithmetic or symbolic arithmetic. Now second question, the letters or alphabet used to represent unknown numbers in the formula are called as. So there are three options. So option A is literals, option B literal number, option C is variables, and option D is all of these. So it is option D, all of these. Okay. The unknown numbers can be called as literal numbers or literals or variables as well, right? Third question, in 6x, what is 6? 6 is called as a constant, which is option A. Next, fourth one, in 6x, x is called as variable, option B. Next, fifth one, again, this was challenger repeated question. Sum of P and Q is represented as. Comment this question right now in the comment section. I will check and reply because it's already discussed. Sixth one, subtraction of 2x from 3. So this is also discussed, right? So this one also comment in comment section. I will see your reply. Okay. Seventh one, the product of 5 and y is. So what is the product? Simply 5 into y, that is nothing but 5y, option C. Next we have more than one correct answer, multiple answer type of question, MAQ. Okay. Eighth one, among the following constant is. So what is a constant you have to see? So option A 1008, option B 5, option C pi, and option D 22 by 7. So 1008 is a constant, correct? 5 is also constant, correct? Pi, you might be having doubt whether it is a constant or not. See, pi is 3.14, so on. But it is a constant value. Remember that. Pi is a constant value. It is not a variable. See, we write pi as 22 by 7 is also constant value. You know that. It is just at 3.14. It's constant. Okay. So all are correct. Option A, B, C, D, all are right. Next. Ninth question. The general form of odd numbers. This one I have discussed in the theory. Try to comment this question. Comment in the comment section. But I'll discuss this question, don't need to worry. Because here options are little bit different. Option A is 2n, option B 2n minus 1, option C 2n plus 1, option D 2 into n plus 1. Now 2n, it is even numbers because 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6. So these are all even numbers, right? So this cannot be the representation of an odd number. So option A is wrong. 2n minus 1, yes, see. 2 ones are minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Next, 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 to the 4 minus 1 is 3. Yes, these are odd numbers. True, correct. Next, 2n plus 1 also is odd number. Yes. How it is? I will tell you. 2 into 1 plus 1. So 2 ones is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 into 1 plus 1. So 2 into 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 3, sorry. 6 plus 1 is 7. These are also odd numbers. So this is also correct. And last one, 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 3, that is 6. These are again even numbers. This is wrong. So, correct answers are B and C. So what we have done in this question is just put any value in a place of n. Just put 1, 2, 3. So you will find the results, right? So you should understand whether that number is odd or even. That's it, okay? So don't get tensed by this question. Actually, it is a simple question. So with this, we have completed our packages also, Perl package. So thanks for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Vishwablooms. We need your support. Again, bye. See you all in the next video.